Hi, this is Emma with OrderMaxx, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Change Location module. Based on which country a user accesses your website from, the module can redirect to a different site you've set up with a domain specific to their country. This is great for businesses looking to accommodate to customers in multiple countries. Starting from the user dashboard, to access this module, we're going to click on Modules and head down into the Change Location module. From this menu, you are able to add a new location or update existing ones. We're going to go ahead and click on Add New Record, and this will take you to our Add/Edit menu. To add a new redirection, select the desired country. In this example, I'm going to select the United Kingdom. And add the target URL. Once you've saved the page, this will be added to your database. From here, we can also choose to set one of these URLs as the default. When turned on, any inbound site visitors from an unhandled country will be sent to this domain by default. Finally, to activate the module, select the Location Change checkbox and click on Apply. The module can be deactivated in the same way. That about wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and to learn more about the Change Location module and our many other products, you can visit us online at www.ordermaxx.com.